Ever wondered why the frequency of alternating current in the United States is 60 Hz, while in Europe it's 50 Hz? Welcome aboard, curious minds. Today, we delve into the intriguing world of power systems, answering some of your most frequently asked questions. First up, why do we use alternating current, AC, instead of direct current, DC? Well, AC has a significant advantage over DC when it comes to transmission over long distances. AC can be easily transformed to high voltages, which reduces power loss during transmission, making it the more efficient choice. So, what's the story behind the 60 Hz frequency in the US and 50 Hz in Europe? The answer lies in history. Back in the early days of electricity, generators in the US were driven by 60 Hz engines, setting the standard. In Europe, 50 Hz was chosen due to the metric system and the use of decimalization. Now, what about transformers? Why can't they operate on DC? Transformers work on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which requires a changing magnetic field. DC, being constant, doesn't provide this, rendering transformers ineffective. Moving on, how do circuit breakers work? Circuit breakers are essentially switches that protect electrical circuits from overloading or short-circuiting. When they detect a fault, they interrupt the current flow, thus protecting the circuit. Next, why do we use three-phase power? Three-phase power systems are widely used because they provide a more constant and continuous power output compared to single-phase systems. This makes three-phase systems ideal for powering large industries and heavy-duty electrical machines. Lastly, why are overhead transmission lines not insulated? Overhead power lines operate at high voltages where the air itself provides enough insulation. Insulating these lines would not only be unnecessary, but also impractical due to cost and maintenance issues. And there you have it. The world of power systems is full of fascinating facts and principles. To recap, we've discussed why AC is preferred over DC, the reason behind the different frequencies in the US and Europe, why transformers can't operate on DC, how circuit breakers work, the advantages of three-phase power, and why overhead transmission lines are not insulated. It's a complex field, but understanding these basic concepts can provide a solid foundation for further exploration. So keep those questions coming and stay curious.